In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an e-signature in Proposify. Let's start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Proposify. You can type the name directly into the address bar or use your search engine. Look for the official Proposify site in the results and click the first relevant link to get there quickly. Once you're on the site, find the Login option and sign in with your account. Use a secure method for your credentials, and if you use a password manager, this is a good time to rely on it. After you're logged in, you'll land on the Documents tab. If you don't see it right away, use the main navigation to open Documents. Now, choose the document where you want to collect an e-signature and open it. It helps to confirm the document content is finalized before you place signature fields so you don't have to reposition things later. Inside the document editor, look to the right-hand sidebar and click the signatures icon, which looks like a pen. If the sidebar happens to be collapsed, expand it first so you can see all the tools. When the signatures panel opens, you're ready to assign who will sign. Use the Signatures For drop-down to select the signer. If the person you need isn't already listed, you can add them by typing their name and email address. Take a moment to double-check the email. This is essential for routing the signature request correctly. Assigning the correct contact ensures the field is locked to the right person and prevents mix-ups if multiple people are involved in the document. Next, drag the colored signature block from the panel onto your document canvas. The color helps you visually identify which signer it belongs to, which is especially useful if you're working with more than one recipient. Drop the block where you want the person to sign, typically near the bottom of the page above their printed name or title. Use on-screen guides, if available, to align it neatly with nearby text or form lines. Click the signature block to adjust its size and placement. Use the corner handles to resize proportionally, keeping the text legible without crowding other elements. You can drag it to fine-tune the position, and if your browser supports it, use zoom to place it precisely. Make sure it doesn't overlap any text or graphics and that it lines up cleanly with your layout. And that's it. You've added an e-signature field in Proposify. With the field placed and assigned, your document is set up for a smooth signing experience.